Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpe, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Ka Voice of the People Party, kalapin pao bakalong ke Baskem, bakan bat biang ya ke Shillong Lok Sabha seat, hakabai election banwan. Habakren shkilat pathai kubor u presiden ke parti uba Arden Miller besaymon, ulo ong baka parti kampat rai u Kyrtong, hinrei kan sepin benasyen. Ulo ong ru ba ka VPP ke smotho ya ke jingkwa jong ki patba, bat kedon jing smos kem, bandang bat ya ke ni ke constituency. Uba Arden ulak daw, ba ka parti kamdon kam ye kibriyo na shabar, namar kadon laki jong ki dekhot ki beteben, bat ki basmotho bahai ke jing thmu, bat ke jinglong jong ka parti. Kani ka by election, kadai hadian ke jingklat candidate jong MP ke Shillong, Dr. Ricky E.J. Singkon, ha ka khat khandai taring urambang.
We are yet to decide, and that will take place very soon.
And
I'm not going to, it is not that we boast or something like that, but we understand the pulse of the people that we are going to keep this constituency with us. You see, I'm telling you, we have enough people in the party who are qualified, who understand the background, the origin of the party. I don't think we need people from outside the party to contest this election. That's only.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.